Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Alianne and thank you so much for spending your time with me. I have been meaning to film a cleaning video for my downstairs living room and bathroom, so I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you have not done it, so you don't miss out on an upload for me. I upload once a week, usually on Mondays. If I do change, I like to let all of you guys know on my Instagram, so please be sure that you do follow me on Instagram.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be weak.
So Logan was napping at this point, so I just went ahead and I started in the bathroom. He's pretty obsessed with the bathroom, so I figured it would have been hard to clean it with him walking around. So that's the first thing that I did. And I do use the method cleaners. I have the all-purpose cleaner and also the glass cleaner as well, and the foaming spray for the shower. So I couldn't vacuum on this day because Logan was sleeping, so I just went ahead and I swept. I like to vacuum better because I feel like the vacuum just picks up more dirt. And but this broom is pretty good. I got it from Walmart. It's the Vileda brand and it does the job. saw, I just finished cleaning the downstairs bathroom. It was so dusty, you guys. I don't know if it's because it's in the basement, but everything is just so dusty in there, and it's quite embarrassing. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area now, the living area. It's pretty messy, so yeah, let's do this. So I started off by putting away these boxes. They have my Christmas stuff in there. I have pulled it out of the storage room to go through and see which decorations I needed to buy and which ones I had and didn't need to double up on. So I just remembered I gave away some of my decorations last year, so I did have to go get a little bit more to add to my tree, which, by the way, that is my next video. It will be me putting up our Christmas tree and some Christmas decorations, so make sure you have that bell on and you have subscribed so you don't miss out on that video. Change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. You call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow. Oh, I want to show you guys the difference this pledge makes, because it's so dusty here. So dusty. Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. Drift off like feathers in the wind. Do you think about making up or what we could have been? I can hear your thoughts loud and clear. You don't have to say a thing, my dear. Pretend that I'm not here. All I seek is some honesty, a stray of light in my darkest fears. I know you know, I know you don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. You don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. After doing all the dusting, I took a little break. I had to go get Ethan from school, and at this point, of course, Logan was up and he wanted to help. He has another obsession, and that's the vacuum cleaner. He's not afraid of it. He loves to help me out with the vacuuming sometimes, or he just sits there and watches me. As you can see, he wanted to take off his socks. Any of your kids just have the obsession of taking off their socks. Logan cannot keep a pair of socks on for longer than 1 hour. But yeah, I went ahead and I finished vacuuming downstairs. It was the last thing that I had.
Look at me, I have thick skin. You don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. My love, oh my love, oh my love.
As you can see, it's quite an obstacle to vacuum with 2 little ones running around, but I managed and I did end up finishing. So I'm gonna leave it here, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little ones running around being little helpers. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment below and let me know what you enjoyed about this cleaning video. Thanks, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Look at me, I have